Dominique. Bobcats in western Albemarle County have caught the attention of a few biologists from Virginia Tech. NBC 29's Jacob Phillips shows us why tracking these cats helps biologists in their mission to preserve wildlife across the state.
Bobcats' travel patterns are among the widest of any species in Virginia, and tracking their movement allows biologists to determine what areas need to be preserved so all wildlife can thrive.
What we're really missing at this point in time is hard data on where these corridors are and or how we can, and therefore how we can protect them and conserve them.
Brett Jesmer is a professor at Virginia Tech overseeing the Albemarle County Bobcat Habitat Connectivity Project.
Both the scientific community and the public alike have been increasingly recognizing that protecting habitat is only one part of the larger conservation efforts for conserving wildlife species across the nation, across the world.
Jesmer says the other part of it is crucial in these animals' success.
The second really important part is making sure that those patches are connected so that animals can move between those patches to access the food, water, shelter, and mates they need to survive and reproduce.
That is what this whole project is about, finding out how humans and wildlife can coexist without destroying their homes. And bobcats are perfect for determining just that, according to a grad student working on the project.
We use a whole variety of habitats like forest, agriculture, suburban, mixed use. They can also travel a lot. I've seen them disperse over 200 miles.
Nicole Gorman has been in the field researching these cats for the last 4 months and says their success or failure impacts us.
Protecting wildlife is super important because it's the whole ecosystem. Every part of it is important and plays a role. We need predators, we need herbivores, we need the plants and the fungi and all the different pieces of the system for it to function as it should, which also helps humans because we're a part of the system as well.
Once a bobcat is caught, it is tagged and tracked with an updated satellite location every 2 hours.
And by doing that, the bobcats are telling us what their preferred habitats are and what their preferred travel corridors are. And we can use some fancy statistics to model all of that, and then we can predict that across the landscape more largely.
This is just the start for this group of biologists' plan to preserve wildlife in Virginia.
Well, hopefully we'll find out whether bobcats are kind of an umbrella species where if we facilitate their movement, it's also facilitating other species movement as well.
Now, the group plans on conducting more research projects like these in the near future and continue to work toward a world where all species thrive together. Jacob Phillips, NBC 29 News.